final push begins as the sun starts to rise over the frozen village.
The clearing crew is moving out to open the roads. The school bus is trapped at the station, and the children are waiting.
Orange takes the lead, carving the first path through the drifts.
Blue is right behind, widening the lane for the heavy traffic.
It is a heavy load, but this truck was built for the task.
The conditions are deteriorating, turning the base into a muddy slush.
Precision is key in these tight village streets.
The blower makes short work of the secondary drifts. Visibility is dropping as the wind picks up again.
Every inch of the road must be cleared before the bus can roll. The town square is finally starting to look like itself again. These machines have been working for hours without a break. The sun is setting, but the job is far from over.
The neighborhoods are the next priority for the crew.
The ice underneath makes every maneuver a gamble.
Power is the only way through these frozen barriers. The night shift begins under the glow of high-tech lights. The industrial blower keeps a steady pace in the dark.
We've reached the bus stop, but the road ahead is blocked.
The two giants coordinate their next move.
Getting down to the asphalt is essential for safety. There is nowhere else for the snow to go in these tight spaces. The engine is running hot from the constant strain.
The road is wet and messy, but it is finally passable.
Buried trees are being liberated from the weight of the storm. Brute force is sometimes the only answer. Back in action and clearing the way. Teamwork is the only way to beat a storm of this magnitude. The trucks are becoming part of the landscape they are trying to save.
The temperature is dropping as the early morning approaches.
The bridge is the final link to the schoolhouse. One wrong move could send the blower into the frozen creek below.
A temporary setback, but the machine is built for rugged use.
The path is secure. The bridge is open. Morning light reveals the scale of their achievement. The industrial machine shows the battle scars of a long night.
There it is. The bus is still buried up to its windows.
Careful maneuvers are needed to avoid damaging the bus.
The blower finishes the job, throwing the snow far away from the road.
The rescue mission is entering its final phase.
Every pile of snow has a place to go.
One final drift stands between the bus and the open road.
Impact. The last barrier is breaking apart.
The turnaround point is ready for the driver.
The air clears as the hard work winds down. Standing guard as the village wakes up to a clear road. The mission was a success. The village is moving again.
The storm has been defeated by the power of the plow and the blower.
The final stretch. The village is buried, but our plow won't back down from this mountain. The blower kicks in, clearing the path with industrial precision. We have to keep those roads open.
Visibility is dropping, but the LED bar cuts right through the whiteout. No room for error now.
The clock is ticking. The school bus is just minutes away from the village gates.
Coordination is key. Together, they are an unstoppable force against the winter storm.
Every inch of pavement matters. The plow scrapes deep to ensure total safety. Even the narrowest alleys are no match for this industrial beast.
There it is. The school bus is on approach. The roads are ready. Mission accomplished. The kids will make it to class on time today.
Another storm conquered. These RC legends have earned a rest until the next snowfall.